Chapter 5 Trigonometric Lines. Objectives: trigonometric ratio in a right triangle, trigonometric lines in the trigonometric circle, signs of trigonometric ratios, trigonometric ratios of some remarkable arcs, associated arcs, and angles. Trigonometric ratios in a right triangle. Trigonometric ratios are the sine, cosine, tangent, and cotangent of an angle. Trigonometric ratios are calculated in a right triangle only. Trigonometric ratios are unitless ratio. It means that they don't have unit. All angles of the same measure have the same trigonometric ratios. It means that if we have an angle A is equal to an angle B, then sine A is equal to sine B, cosine A is equal to cosine B, tangent A is equal to tangent B, and cotangent A is equal to cotangent B. Now, let ABC a right triangle at A. Okay? We know that the opposite side to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Okay? So BC is the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC. The sine of any angle, here we took the example of angle B. So the sine of B, which is here the angle, okay, is the opposite side over hypotenuse. It means the opposite side, which is AC, and the hypotenuse is BC. To calculate the cosine alpha or cosine angle B, it means that we have to divide the adjacent side by the hypotenuse. The adjacent side is AB and the hypotenuse is BC. To calculate tangent B, we have to divide the sine B over cosine B. It means we have opposite side over adjacent side. In this example, the opposite side is AC and the adjacent side to the angle B is AB. Okay? Now, the cotangent of the angle, cotangent B is cosine over sine. It means that we have the adjacent side over the opposite side. It's equal to AB over AC. Here for the cotangent, as we can see, it's equal to 1 over tangent. So note, we can write that cotangent B is equal to 1 over tangent B, or tangent B is equal to 1 over cotangent B. We have to know that sine square alpha plus cosine square alpha is equal to 1. This relation is known as the fundamental relation, and here is the proof of this relation. If we took ABC as a right angle, we have the measure of BC is C, the measure of AB is B, and the measure of AC is A. If we apply the Pythagorean theorem in this triangle, we will have a square plus b square is equal to c square. If we divide by c square, it will be a square over c square plus b square over c square plus c square over c square. It means that we have a over c power 2 plus b over c power 2. It's equal to 1. As we can see, a over c is the opposite side over the hypotenuse, which is the sine. Okay? B over C, which is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, which is cosine. So from here, we can deduce that sine square plus cosine square is equal 1. You have a homework for Thursday, please. This exercise must be solved on a paper, okay? Because this homework is graded.